Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Shopify store. So just follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. So the first thing we need to do, we need to go and open our Google Chrome over here, and then we need to head to Google. And from Google, I'm going to go for Shopify, and I'll click on the link of Shopify over here, and then I need to log into my account on Shopify. So whenever you logged into your account successfully, just go over here on My Store and click on it, and then choose Manage Account. And then click on Security over here and go down. Just make sure that all the devices that are logged in, you need to log them out just in case of more secure. And also, if you have the authentication method, just turn it off once again. And now go back to your account on Shopify and go over here for settings and then click on it. And from settings, choose plan. And now from the plan, click on cancel. In my case, you would see cancel trail, but in your case, it's not going to be trail, but also the same button, which is cancel. So click on it over here. And here before deactivate, you need to mention the reason of the cancellation, and you can choose any of these. And if your reason isn't one of these, just click on other reason and write your reason over here, and then choose continue. And that's how you can delete and cancel your shop or your store on Shopify. At the end, if you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful. And thanks for watching.